Hallo, my naam is Ilonka van Breda. Ek is verkies tot DGN B-span skiep. My span bestaan uit Arina Joubert, Tony Kobbe, Erika Du Plessis met ons bestuurder Gerda Jordaan van Sail. Vir my is rolbal 'n baie nederige sport. Vandag is ons bo op die kruin, môre is ons onder. So moet ons mekaar help wanneer ons nie daar is nie. Winning together means recognizing that success is not a solo journey, but a shared effort. It's about building each other up and celebrating collective achievements. It means that every contribution, big or small, matters, and the journey is just as important as the results. Kom ons geniet interdistrikte en maak baie vriende.